Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to supercharge your email marketing without spending hours crafting each message, today's video is for you. We're diving into BlinkCompose, an AI-driven tool designed to help you write high-converting email campaigns effortlessly. Let's explore how it can transform your email marketing strategy. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. Let's get started. What is BlinkCompose? BlinkCompose is an AI-powered platform that streamlines the creation of email campaigns. Whether you're sending newsletters, onboarding sequences, or promotional emails, BlinkCompose helps you generate content that resonates with your audience and drives action. Let's delve into some of BlinkCompose's standout features. AI-generated emails quickly create emails tailored to various purposes, including onboarding, upselling, cart abandonment, and more. Brand voice customization. Train the AI to match your unique writing style or choose from preset tones to maintain consistency across campaigns. Repurpose existing content. Upload your best-performing emails, and BlinkCompose will help you generate fresh, optimized versions for new campaigns. Comprehensive email strategy. Plan entire email sequences with guidance on nurturing leads, closing sales, and re-engaging customers. Multi-language support. Reach a broader audience by creating emails in multiple languages. User-friendly interface. Navigate the platform with ease, even if you're new to email marketing. BlinkCompose offers flexible pricing options on AppSumo. Each tier includes a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. BlinkCompose is a valuable tool for marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to enhance their email marketing efforts. Its AI-driven approach simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on strategy and engagement. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the latest marketing tools. Have you tried BlinkCompose? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy emailing!